Hello. This is Kevin with American Farm Products. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at our new design of our combo plastic. This is a 4mm white-on-white top cover seamed on one side to a 1.8mm green oxygen barrier. We have redesigned it from customer feedback. We went with a virgin 4mm for a couple of reasons, one of them being we saw that the 4mm had better puncture test versus the 5mm. We also liked the fact it was a little lighter for total roll weight. We kept the white on white to make sure not to have dark colors attracting heat. The 1.8mm green oxygen barrier is designed to have extremely low oxygen transfer rate and also to have a superior cling effect. Seaming both of these products together and accordion folding them together gives us all of the advantages of the two-step system without the hassle. Another important detail is that our plastic is made from 100% virgin materials. That gives you a much more consistent, durable cover compared to other brands that use recycled plastic, which can be weaker and less reliable in the field. As you watch this installation, notice how the crew on the left is pulling the seam into the wind. This simple step makes the process much easier and keeps the plastic tight as it's rolled out. From the drone view, you can also see how our combo oxygen barrier unfolds onto itself. This design means the crew never has to walk directly on the oxygen barrier, preventing holes, tears, and weak spots where spoilage can begin. The crew keeps steady tension on both sides of the plastic, making sure every fold lays out clean. This particular roll is 80 feet wide and 1,000 feet long, giving full coverage with fewer seams and faster installation. Up next, we want to highlight a new feature we've added this year. Each roll now includes a Pull Here tab, one on the end of the top cover and another on the green oxygen barrier. This makes it quick and easy for the crew to know exactly where to grab and start unfolding the roll. You can see here that the crew on the right has control of both the top of the white-on-white cover and the bottom of the green oxygen barrier. Meanwhile, the crew on the left is managing the seam side, walking up the pile as the plastic unfolds smoothly into place. When it comes to sizes, we keep a wide range in stock to fit just about any operation. Standard widths include 34, 47, 60, and 80 feet, with lengths available in 150, 200, 500, and 1,000 feet. And if your farm needs something specific, we can also provide custom sizes for a small additional fee. New this year, we're introducing our 6mm top cover, called Combo Extreme. It's designed for farms that want maximum durability in a top cover, while still getting all the benefits of the combo system, one-step application, easy handling, and superior cling for a tight seal. The last feature we want to point out is something that really sets us apart from the competition. This year, every roll includes a batch number. That means if there's ever a concern, we can trace it back and know exactly when and how that roll was made. We've also added footage markers. Starting after the first 100 feet, you'll see a countdown every 10 feet. This gives you a clear, accurate read on how much material is left on the roll, making planning and installation even easier. With features built for easier installation, stronger protection, and greater consistency, our combo oxygen barrier is designed to save you time and preserve more feed. At the end of the day, American Farm Products has you covered, from top to bottom.